Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on an Emirates 777. I'm just talking watches and drinking coffee. Talking watches and drinking coffee. In business class on Emirates. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. Just had a delivery. And this marks a very important moment. I am now Rolex-less, and I got a new baby. This is a new baby, so we're going to do a live unboxing for everyone to enjoy. This is probably the last watch for a long while. A very nice viewer knew I was chasing this model, and he offered it to me on terms. So basically, I'm getting rid of the Explorer 2 Polar, which has been a very good companion, to get this. So let's have a look. I hope there's something in this fucking phone. Da 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 da. Ha! Holla fucker mole! 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 Hello Patek Philippe. Hello Patek. Hello Patek Philippe. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. Philippe Fuckaroonies. Roonies. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe, fuckers. What do I think? It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. That's what it is. Fuckaroonies. Fuckaroonies. It's a Grand Classique. What do I think, man? Fuck me dead. No Rolex. 5th Patek Philippe. I don't know what to say, guys. What do I think? Man. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. I don't know what to say here. Fuckaroonies. I've got the 5196 and the 5296. What do I think indeed? Yes, sir. I quite like my Patek Philippe. I quite like my Patek Philippe. Patek Philippe, fuckers. Patek Philippe. Rodents. The rodents. Try and outdo me, rodents. Come and get me, rodents. Come and get me, rodent. Come and get me, rodents. 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 Come and get me, rodents. What do I think? I'm actually pretty damn happy. I'm happy to have a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. Patek fuckers. Patek Philippe. Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. What do I think? It's cool. It's very cool. It's very cool. It's nice. It's lovely. It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love Patek. I really do. Patek and pussy! That is what the world is all about. Patek and pussy. Yes, indeed. Sad to let go of the Explorer, I must agree. Very, very sad indeed. But, yeah, this is how life goes. So, yeah, very, very, very interesting. Very interesting indeed. It's Patek Philippe. Pateks and pussy. That's the meaning of life. I quite like the 5196.
Oh. Hey Archie Luxury fans, if you're into luxury, then you gotta be into 66 Buick Rivieras. Check out my son and I, Alex, as we restore this beautiful 66 Buick.
Neighbors are having a picnic, having fun and stuff. Me, I'm doing cars. It's what I've done my whole life.
David SW. Who does ArchieLuxury recommend is the greatest grey market dealer in America? There's only one choice, David SW. That's right, guys. I've got to tell you the honest truth. I have, for a long time, been looking for the perfect answer. Who do I recommend people go to see? Who do I recommend that people can go and buy watches? And I've got to be honest with you. The greatest pre-owned dealer for Rolex, Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet is David SW. DavidSW.com. That's right, guys. I have been looking for a contact who I can very nicely refer people to. I am not in the selling business. Customer service, I'm too old to sell watches. I'm too old. I like to recommend my viewers to a reliable source. In Australia, I've got some great sources. There's Sydney Watch Exchange with Cove, Ronnie at Vintage Watch Co, Shani at European Watch Gallery. And in America, who is the best source for pre-owned Rolex? For all the hot models? There's only one person I would recommend, David SW. That is the premier source for pre-owned Rolex. I gotta be completely frank and honest with you. Guys, if you are looking for a hot Rolex model, there is only one place you can go to. David SW. Let's be honest, guys. There's no point schmoozing the dealers, the ADs. They're just a waste of time. Unless you're going to buy 20 pieces, you are wasting your time. What you're better off to do is pay the market premium and go to a good pre-owned dealer. Who do I recommend? David SW. That's correct, guys. I want to tell you this now. I 100% stand behind David S.W. David S.W., the greatest pre-owned dealer in the entire United States of America. That's right, the greatest pre-owned dealer for Rolex, for Patek Philippe, for Audemars Piguet, David S.W. He even does things like FP Journe. David S.W., David S.W., David S.W. That's right. If you want to buy a pre-owned Rolex, a Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, there's only one good source I would recommend. David S.W., David S.W., David S.W. I'm Paul Pluta, the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, and I'm proud to recommend David S.W. See you later. Thank you for watching this channel. Thanks for the well wishes, guys. They've really been, I really got so many nice little emails. That really, it's really cool to receive. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.